Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. I'm at Lake Lure near Chimney Rock, and I'm going to show you the Flying Bridge. So here's the entrance. We have some sunshine ligustrums. We have some roses, maybe knockout roses. All the bees are all over the flowers. Look at this. Everybody knows I love my bees. Look at the daylilies. Do you see the daylilies over here, y'all? Daylilies are so pretty. Hydrangea. Look at this. This bumblebee. Isn't it pretty? Let me just kind of swing around and you can see Chimney Rock too from here. There's Chimney Rock. We're still in North Carolina. You can climb up there. There's a lot of stairs. You see birds, bees, moss. We're up here with several neighbors today too. This reminds me of being at the butterfly bungalow at Daniel Stowe, huh? Butterfly bushes are about ready to be in bloom, but not quite yet. That looks like that's the blue. Punkster blue. I don't know, some kind of catmint maybe, or mint. More lilies, daylilies. Is this lobelia? I think this is the lobelia. Lots of daylilies. Looks like black-eyed Susan, but I didn't think they were blooming yet. They're doing some construction behind me too. It's a little noisy. Another butterfly bush. Birds of feather in the gardens, March 6th through April 30th, which is past that. Neighbor Cindy. What is this, like a little fairy thing? Is that what y'all were talking about?
A little fairy, like,
yeah.
House.
It's cute. It's like a little pear on top.
White coneflower. Damn, this is like a dream tree.
Yeah.
You need these kind of signs though on your.
What kind of signs? Oh, a little bit better signs.
They're up high, you know.
Right.
Oh, that's. Oh, look at this. Where's that coming from?
Lake Lure Flying Bridge.
It's just like
Tour the gardens with your mobile phone. Special audio.
It's like a vine. That's really cool.
What do you want to show me, Bonnie?
Oh, I wonder.
Oh, I'll take a picture there.
Yeah. Cindy.
Lamb's ear, some sun patience. Some of the roses have already gone out of bloom. Look at the kind of the gazebo right there. It's pretty. And this just invites us to come right in, right? Old wheelbarrow with lots of flowers in it. Do you hear the birds?
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
This is Monarda. And it's quite tall too. Another butterfly, Miss Molly.
Yeah, at night it must be pretty. Yeah.
What's all the dog collars down there?
Where you take your dog that pass.
Rainbow bread.
Oh,
Yeah, you go
really?
down there, you
I
can
can
smell
already
dogs.
smell the dog.
You
Yeah.
can?
Yes. But when you walk over, it's very strong.
Yeah.
Huh. Wow.
It's a very rific. It's just like.
Oh yeah, that's the one we have. Did you see the butterfly bush that's got, it's the buddleia, the same, it's huge.
The puglia.
Yes.
Pugster. It's this
I'm
big.
like, oh my gosh. And I got 5 of them
I have,
on the west
I
side.
have 3 of them, and that's what I told Helen. I'm like,
Like how,
they're supposed to be dwarfed.
I know, yes, that does not like dwarf to me.
No. She says you're going to have to keep it cut back.
Huh?
She said we'll have to keep it cut
I
back.
know, but I do cut it back and it's still.
Line back. There's some spurge up here.
Is there? Look at this juniper, how it kind of,
It's blooming.
yeah.
Yeah, this one is 2 behind you.
Oh, I see the spurge.
Yeah, there's one right in front of you.
Yeah, that's kind of like the blooms are already kind of spent on this one. This is called the swing garden. Look, they just kind of make it inviting. Made it look like books. That's cute.
I thought that was so cute.
Yeah, it
They
is
did the
cute.
bricks
They painted it,
like books.
right? Did you figure out what these were?
No, I was going to ask you if you knew what they were. Because
Looks like a, is that a morning?
morning
It almost looks like hardy geranium
that,
or
see,
a morning glory, but I think it's looks like hardy geranium.
geraniums. I figured I could talk to you and you would help me figure it out, but those kind of look
That would
like
be
your-
my guest.
I'll take another picture and then I will, I can't get a signal to leave snap it.
And there's the Ascot rainbow spurge.
Mine's much better than these two.
Yeah,
But I wonder if I have to deadhead it at some point.
probably. It looks like it. Yeah. Bonnie has, it was like a sage.
Is it?
Yeah.
I just knew it's called a lipstick.
Yeah, that's really pretty. Real dainty.
Yeah.
But Bonnie's got that in her container. Coleus.
One dusty miller.
Yeah, one Dusty Miller.
Oh yeah, here's some more of this, but it doesn't tell me what it is.
I think it's hardy geranium.
I love that brick. I'm gonna
Oh,
paint,
yeah.
I'll paint one of those.
Oh,
I don't think that's my inspiration. I think we are doing party someday.
hardy hibiscus.
Yeah, that's the very rific summer.
Phlox. That's not a phlox though.
These
I think those are, yeah.
these are the Robert Poor phlox.
There's a dogwood tree.
Where is the peach butterfly bush?
Oh, I saw different signs for that one too.
Peach cobbler butterfly bush. I didn't see anything there.
Well, the daylilies look pretty here, huh?
Yes. This calls it salvia hot lips.
It says salvia instead of sage.
Ah, so I don't even have to look it up. It's salvia hot lips. I thought it was.
Well, you said that, didn't you?
I think I said lipstick. It's hot lips. Oh. Oh, yeah, you can smell the dogs.
Yeah, it goes all the way down too.
So this says chains to hang tags and collars, and it's a bridge for dogs that have passed, right? Is that what you guys said?
Yep.
It's the Rainbow Bridge.
Oh, wow. This is kind of sad.
I know there's a lot of collars.
And it does smell like dogs. Oh, wow.
Oh, and then people put like rocks at their names.
Oh. It says there's a bridge connecting heaven and earth. It's called the Rainbow Bridge because of its many colors. Just this side of the Rainbow Bridge, there is a land of hills, meadows, and valleys with lush green grass. When a beloved pet dies, he goes to this place where there is food and water and warm spring weather. The old and frail animals are young again. Those who are maimed are made whole again. They play all day with each other. There is only one thing missing. They are not with their special person who loved them on earth. Aww. So each day they run and play until the day comes when one suddenly stops playing and looks up. The nose twitches, the ears are up, the eyes are staring, and this one suddenly runs from the group. You have been seen, and when you and your special friend meet, you take them in your arms and embrace. Your face is kissed again and again, and you look once more into the eyes of your trusting pet. Then you cross the Rainbow Bridge together, never again to be separated. Aww. Did you read that?
I know, it's really sweet.
Aww.
There's one here that says I'm a therapy dog. I'm like, oh. But I love this. Look at.
Like you wouldn't even know this until like
See this one?
you've been here, and then you're like, oh, I gotta come back and bring the collar. Aww. Down here near the river's pretty. Isn't that a pretty view? Oh, this is so sad. Even if you...
Just like, ugh.
Right.
The dog smell is.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
What is this big bright orange thing?
It's called a poker something.
Oh, I think I've seen.
Like Jenny at Creekside has these. I think they might even have them at Lowe's from Proven Winners. Proven Winners carries a plant like that. The daisies are pretty.
More flowers in my phone that I don't know what I'm going to do with.
Although I don't think Teddy would have known what to do with it. I'm still not sure that was a dog.
Okay.
Yeah, red hot poker. Dawn.
Oh, okay.
Even though it doesn't look red.
Yeah.
Looks orange. Oh, it'd be fun to take care of this place if you lived up here, huh? This is called River's Edge Dog Garden.
Oh, they got little dog poppins too.
Oh, they do. Cute.
You gotta love this. It's a doggy stick library.
Oh, that's
Oh my
funny.
gosh.
Who thought of these things?
I don't know. That is so adorable.
And that's cute too.
Oh, that dog topiary.
It's funny.
But look at the book titles. You got
Right.
Clifford the Big Red Dog. You got Go Dog Go. The Tale
My
of the
name is
Haunted
Charlie. Isn't it sad? The only one I've heard is Clifford.
What about Peanuts? Everybody's best friend? About Snoopy?
Yeah, I've heard of that one.
I haven't seen. I like that. Can I be your dog? I've heard of Good Dog Carl.
Have you guys heard of these books about dogs? It is. At least it's peaceful. I don't hear the construction down here.
Right? Just your car's going over the bridge a little bit, but look at this Weigela.
What?
It's this big.
Wow. I have heard that you can make it in tree form, but that's really big.
I would call that Obergalia, but
I say Weigela,
you say Weigela.
but who knows if I'm singing it right.
I know, but that's why I told
I'm sure my audience is going to say, this is how you say it, and then I can't hear you. Weigela, Weigela, Weigela.
Now you got me. Weigela.
I don't know, it looked like a rat.
Yeah.
I think I caught it on camera.
Did
I
you?
see a butterfly. I see the yellow swallowtail. Went up that way.
Okay. I don't know what that was, like a groundhog or something.
I don't know. It's in there somewhere. You went in there.
I got a, I'll send you a picture. I got a gecko on the water spout up here, and he was dropping his whole big gullet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll have to send it to me.
Picture. You can add it to your video. He was sitting right here on this water spigot.
Oh, yeah? Oh.
He just showed off for me.
Yeah. But look at that. That is humongous.
That's like,
All right, stand there, Dawn, so I can show you. Just to give reference. Do you guys, this is supposed to be a dwarf. Does not look like dwarf.
I have
It's happy.
in a small spot.
Oh, I have 5. They're gonna just all climb together.
I like the black and blue with this black stem.
Yeah. They get big.
Yeah. Oh, this is pretty.
Yeah.
Here's the blue salvia. Here's Kim at her finest. She's not walking, she's walking so fast she's missing the lantana and the lavender cotton and the rose above all and the pink island yarrow. And I can't read signs fast
There's
enough.
a honeysuckle sweet tea.
And it is growing up this arbor. Oh, Kim, look at what it does.
Oh, that looks like wisteria.
Look at that.
I don't see a sign.
I don't either. Lantana
Butterflies love lantana.
is. That one's pretty, but I still like my variegated
Yes,
green leaves.
I agree. It's very pretty.
All right, what else is Kim gonna find here? She's
Ferns.
just looking. Lots of lamb's ear here.
Listen to this. Just listen. Isn't it peaceful?
She needs that one. She needs a bigger water feature.
Bonnie's what she needs. Put
Bonnie,
in the
this
deep-
one's for you.
Yeah.
But look at that. It is so cool. That's a purple leaf that looks like,
Caladiums.
yes, that I have the other
Yeah.
version.
Caladiums. There's a variegated plant, Dawn.
It is a passion flower vine.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, the purple thing that we said wisteria is called a passion flower vine.
There we go.
Yeah, it's just not really blooming up on this side over here.
No, I just saw that one bloom over there. Here's some wisteria. Oh no, wait, because it's wisteria amethyst falls.
So you think it
So
still
I
was?
think that
Okay.
was. This is all pink fairy rose. That's all pink fairy rose. So I'm not sure what the island flower vine was.
It looked like wisteria, so I bet it was, because it's got this pretty strong vine.
Yeah, and it had that.
It was the
purple
same leaf.
flower
Yeah.
Looked like wisteria.
Yeah.
Oh,
I bet it
'cause
is. There's some right up there.
There's some blooms right here too.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
starting. So that's the wisteria.
I see Helen over there.
Oh, she's over in the hydrangea garden.
Well, there's a lot here. I'm impressed. I didn't think it'd be this much.
I like all the little art. I mean, look at. This is what you do with your used gloves. You repurpose them in your garden.
It's not my style, but
Right?
it's cute here. Dicandra Falls. Names on all kinds of bricks here. Maybe they were donators, people that donated. Something's eating all over those. Yeah, look above you, Dawn. All the wisteria is above you too, and it's blooming. Can you see it?
Yes.
There's a moth up there on one of the blooms.
Is there?
And this is the hydrangeas that hardy geranium that I have. It looks like Roseanne right here. Well, look at the little fairy girl. Isn't she pretty?
There's just stuff tucked all over
I
in
don't
here.
know what this one is.
Loose strife.
Ageratum? No?
No, it's just.
I've never seen this bloom before. You saw the name somewhere else?
It's right here.
Oh. I've never heard of this one.
So in Michigan, where I lived, the loose strife, there was a wild version of it that was very invasive,
Oh yeah?
but it was purple.
Huh.
And one time I put some purple phlox in the seeds in the back of my yard where it wasn't taken care of. It was just a common space. And my neighbor got all upset because he thought it was loose strife. And he was going to call the county or whatever to come and dispose of it. And I told him, no, I said that I planted those are phlox. I said, so I showed him a picture of loose strife versus phlox, and he's like, oh, okay.
Huh.
Oh yeah, I think it keeps going down.
Look, it's euphorbia. I found it.
Oh yeah.
I found it.
Like the diamond snow, or what's the other one?
Diamond frost.
Diamond frost.
This is creeping sedum.
Kind of makes you want to. Oh, there's lots of. Shoot, where are they called? Hellebores, yeah. All in here.
And then if you have an extra jar of jelly, you just hang it over here.
Do you see? Oh, well, okay. Yeah, that's odd.
Just saying. I wonder if they've got holes punched in it or something to make it like.
Oh, for the birds? Yeah, maybe. What happens in the garden stays in the garden. I need a t-shirt that says this.
Yes,
What happens in the garden stays in the garden.
that's the Kim.
We could do a Backyard Blooms Kim t-shirt with this on there. What do you guys think? Would you buy t-shirts from me if I had a Backyard Blooms t-shirt? I don't know.
I saw bumblebees going up in them.
Huh.
All right, I'll take another
I
photo.
do not know. There is, I saw one that just went up in here too.
I'll take another photo and I'll end
Oh,
up.
there he comes out. Oh, he's trying to come out. Let's see if we can get him.
I'm gonna do my leaf snap
There you
when
go.
I get better Wi-Fi.
I wonder if it's a type of, it doesn't look like clematis. I don't know, Dawn.
Free public Wi-Fi.
That looks like a Rose of Sharon, but they're calling that hibiscus, I think. Doesn't that look like a Rose of Sharon?
Yes.
Wow. I wonder if mine's gonna get that big. I don't even know how tall that is. Look at the honeysuckle.
My sugar tip, I'm gonna be like crazy. Well, it calls it a hibiscus blue smoothie.
Well, a Rose of Sharon is a
hibiscus.
type of hibiscus.
Right. And so they're all in the family.
Oh, this is pretty on this side. There's so much to look at.
Oh, I like the purple
I know.
flowers back there. I don't know what those are. The sweet potato vine's blooming.
Yeah, I see bees going in and out of that one too.
Oh, that is a spotted bellflower. The pink one that we just looked at.
Okay.
It's a bellflower.
Boy, that bees like this honeysuckle right here. They're all over that.
Are they? Isaac.
Certified wildlife habitat. In here. Look at the hinoki cypress right here.
Yeah. That's pretty.
That is pretty, even though it's real slow growing.
But that might be when I decide to do bonsai, I might do the
Yeah.
hinoki bonsai.
Sitting on the flower, he's resting.
Wow, this is big.
Yeah,
There's so much
it's really big.
to look at. What's in the secret garden, Dawn?
The secret garden.
It's a secret?
Hostas.
Hostas?
Oh, I broke the secret.
Dawn says there's hostas in the secret garden. Do you hear the bird? I don't know what kind of sound a bird that is, but it's interesting. Bunnies on the bridge. Too bad we weren't on the other side. I didn't realize I had that there. Yeah. children's garden. The story of Beatrix Potter. She was the most beloved children's author of all time. She wrote and illustrated more than 20 children's books, including The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Mr. McGregor's potting shed. Did you see the little kid's bed back here?
Oh, that's
It's
cute.
not having flowers in it, but
They signed our guest book.
you did?
No, but we're gonna sign it.
Oh, you can put my name in there.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, I didn't even see that there.
Dawn says she'll sign my name.
I'm putting all of us.
Okay.
So what do we have? What day is it today? The 5.
It's 31st.
Yeah, 31st.
Maybe I shouldn't say that on video because then I'm not going to get my video out.
At Backyard Blooms, the at symbol.
At Backyard Blooms with Kim. Lamb's ear. These little orange, yellowy flowers are so pretty and vibrant. Look, Dawn. This is that little critter that we saw. Whatever this thing is.
Where is it?
That little thing right there. Do you see it?
Oh,
Is that a mouse?
I think it's a mouse.
Like ginormous.
Or a rat?
What little critter are you seeing?
Right here.
Where?
Eating the flowers there.
Right below the yucca.
Oh, it's a little bunny. Look at his little face.
You think that's a bunny? That's not a bunny.
Oh, it's not a bunny.
got a big long
Oh, it's a
tail.
little mouse then. Oh, cute. Yeah.
Like
it's not a bunny.
A big mouse. Look at the shoe with the sedum in it.
I love that.
That's unusual seeing too.
Yeah, that's pretty sedum.
Hey, that's good spotting that little mouse. You writing us all in there?
I am.
Awesome.
Rock and succulent garden.
Okay.
Kind of cute how they have all these books. Dancing on the Rocks.
Hey, is this the same vine that's up there? Because it blooms yellow. What? It looks like it's the same thing.
Do I need one of those? I got my leaf snap here. Hold on.
It blooms yellow flowers.
Oh, wait a minute.
Ooh, this is pretty.
I know. With its belly full of flowers. I know.
What are you guys looking at?
I have a ridiculous amount of crap in my yard.
This one right here.
A frog?
Yeah, right around her plant.
Oh, cute.
It's the cactus. I want to buy a little one. Start a pile. With the yellow flowers.
Yeah.
When they're like, there's a couple on
They
my way to
spread. Don't they
KBK.
spread really?
I think if you pot them, they'll like. I don't.
If
know
you
what
pot them, they'll stay contained.
I think so.
Yeah. Kind of like how mint would be.
This says large yellow loosestrife.
But when it blooms, it's like beautiful. But it looks like it's the same vine, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
You're wrong. I like this where the plants are around the yucca. And the yucca's like in the middle.
There's so much to look at. It's amazing.
It's just a variegated. That other one was viney. I don't know if that other thing is going to get flowers. So
it's not the same thing. It looks a lot
think
alike.
so, but hold on. Let's find out.
Isn't that pretty?
That looks like a rose.
With the pink? You think it's a rose?
I don't know.
I know these, like my mom has these. I love these.
Can't tell if it's got, no, it's got roses on it, so it is a rose.
That's what I was going to guess, but I will try to.
Helen was asking me how come you have a pink rose and a white rose, and the guy next to us says that it cross-pollinated, which makes sense because there's a yellow rose right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the bumblebees may like carry the pollen and cross-pollinate it. I had no idea lamb's ear bloomed. No, it
Cool.
learned something
That
today.
is a climbing rose, Kim.
Which one?
That pink
That
one.
pink one?
Yeah.
It is really pretty. Look at this lamb's ear that bloomed.
The bees really love it.
Yeah.
No kid.
Look how pretty that is. Aw, where did it go? Come back over here. You'd have to have a big area for this though, to grow.
Yeah, because it got so big.
If you had a big area that you wanted to fill in your cottage
Oh my
garden,
gosh,
I
and look at
know
all the
the
bumblebees.
bees love it. Look at the yellow rose.
It's one that pollinated with that one over there. I didn't miss it.
You hear the drip coming on. Do you hear the drip?
I do.
I just heard it too.
Yeah. Anybody that has drip, we know that sound. Look at this dahlia back here. It's pretty. Oh, look how pretty this is right here. Can you just like take all that in? Look how gorgeous this is. Look through my camera. Dawn.
The flowers, the river.
The lake, yeah.
Well, the lake,
River.
whatever it is.
Oh my gosh. That's beautiful.
Those planter boxes.
I
on
know.
The edge of the old decommissioned bridge.
Yes. Look at the dahlia back there. Isn't that pretty?
Pretty.
I hear bells. Like a church bell. Ooh, did you see this hibiscus? The mandevilla.
I see that. Oh, Helen.
Yellow mandevilla.
I know, I took a picture of it already.
And hardy geranium.
Wait, is it
Banana
like
plant.
Kim, we got
Kismet because it's like in with the tropical
Oh,
plants?
okay. This is Miss Helen.
Helen, because it's got two. It's got Dawn and Helen. Come on.
With the mandevilla.
I was like, it's odd they put that in the drink.
I need a picture of us with our namesakes.
It's alright.
Okay.
But yes, they do. This is what Cindy has.
Is that the one that's climbing?
Yes, in her dining
Okay.
room. In her dining room.
Yeah.
But she's got a different. It's really
Yeah, they have like a bush form of mandevillas and climbing ones.
Okay. That's really pretty.
It is pretty. This
The
is
one she has
really,
yellow too?
it's just real soft yellow.
Hers is more that real like bright lime yellow.
Okay.
Look at the orange
I
in the
know.
middle. It's pretty.
Oh, somebody put a fairy stick in here.
Oh, looks like reminds me of Loretta. Hey, Loretta. Look,
This has got like a little
Miss Loretta gave us some more spurge.
A fairy stick.
Oh.
Look at the calla lily. I missed that earlier.
With the backdrop
Oh, that's
of
really
the-
pretty. Yeah.
Oh, Helen, did you see this one?
Yeah, I took a picture of it.
So it makes sense. This is the tropical garden. How pretty that is.
I know. It's lovely. This is how big mine is on the side of the house too.
Got some tall verbena.
Oh, look, the little bee. Oh, I love that.
They got the bee and the water in the backdrop.
There's just so much to look at. The secret life of bees.
They're at the end of the bridge. They texted us. One I was chasing around. Now there's a bunch. But
I
yeah,
wonder what kind of lavender this is.
I don't know. But why does it smell good?
Where did they all go? I come over here and they left. They left me.
Oh, there's way back there.
Yeah.
I'll have Shelby teach me how to do it. And then I can send it to you guys and then everybody has access to it. I just keep touching it because it smells so good.
They got butterflies and stuff over there.
That's crazy. I didn't even know that. I was this many years old.
This many years old. Did I learn something? See, I tell you.
But I learned something from Dawn about bees' pollen bags.
Here we go.
Oh, check that out.
Did you get one?
Oh my gosh. Work, the like teapot looking thing.
I think so.
Yeah, I picked it up. I have it in my house for you. I keep meaning to give it to you, but I forget. It's got like pretty oranges, and I think you'll like it. Number 6.
Number 6 right there. There's one with a butterfly in the middle of it right there.
You don't remember what the Wi-Fi password was, do you?
So Dawn said this was primrose.
I thought Dawn read it.
No, but it's not very far away.
Well, the butterflies, the bees, love it all. I'm still amazed at this lamb's ear. The scar is pretty. Plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. How true is that? Well, I bet you can just like go the opposite way and see a total different garden. The eagle up there. Rosemary. This is the herb garden. The pleasure of herbs. And it tells what all the herbs are in here.
Those are seeds called lumper seeds or something. Those are seeds like that called lumpers. Those are just easy.
Look how pretty this hydrangea is up here. All the little artwork's pretty. I love all the books that they have in here too. They're just concrete painted, but how cute. Bees love with this. Looks like Veronica maybe. I don't have any Veronica in my garden. Kind of looks like the invisible mauve hydrangea. Look how pretty. Look how big. This hydrangea is gorgeous too. Don't you love this color? Oh my goodness, beautiful. This garden just keeps going and going. I'm amazed. Oh, look at this lace lace cap hydrangea. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And I think we're coming to the very end of it, maybe. That looks like my tough stuff hydrangea bush. If it gets that big, I'm in trouble too. We're at the very end of our video and I'm so amazed and everything's so beautiful. Look at this. Everything's unique, different, gorgeous. Look at the dark foliage on this one. Love how everything's got names on it. Hydrangeas are beautiful here. Look at this vibrant blue purple color. Oh my gosh, look at that cap lace hydrangea. What is this one? Look how pretty that is. And then it's got the light blue hydrangeas in the background.
Do this, you can get your picture of yourself
Oh.
taking pictures through the video. I don't know. That's Georgia bush honeysuckle, but that's not that big.
No.
That's not honeysuckle. Yeah, they got it.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Invincible Garnetta Smooth Hydrangea.
What's it called?
I don't think that's it.
This is a lace cap. It almost looks like the Tough Stuff Aha, like I've got, but
Invincible Garnetta Smooth Hydrangea.
no, the Invincible
This is the
is
smooth
like a
hydrangea.
maroon.
So that's this. So this is doesn't have a label.
Yeah, but oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
Oh, maybe it's hydrangea.
Let's
like
dance.
the rave.
I don't know.
Let's dance the rave.
Could be.
This one.
Dawn's using her Leaf app.
No, I'm just taking pictures.
Just taking pictures?
Yeah. I was just in love with it. Oh, look, it's another dwarf butterfly, Pugster Blue.
This is the Pentacetum or Penson something. I can't say it right this second. Pensitum. Oh, I can't think of it. This is called Hydrangea Bloomstruck.
When you walk up there, to see it from this version is definitely different. But when you walk up there and you're standing there and you're looking up at this flat wall with this waterfall just coming down, it's simple but so cool.
All right, guys, so we are on our way to Chimney Rock, and there's the highest elevation right there. So you can take an elevator to it, and then take the stairs across. So I'm excited to show you the views up there.
What's up?
Estamos a 2.280 pies de altura.
Nice view of Chimney Rock.
Yes.
Yeah, the elevation down there is 1,100. This is 23.
The rock looks like it's gonna fall.
Still move around a little bit. Find parking spots.
Bonnie,
Is it Rex?
see where the little rides are?
Yeah.
This side of the street. And all
If we could at least stand in front of it, I'll send it.
they didn't show it like that. Pretty cool.
We're full speed right now. He's got it wide open.
I think we could swim faster. I think the best.
What do they look like? Yeah, right into backyard house.
Right in the backyard now.
And then we gotta suck it back up.
That's right.
I like that one.
belong to?
Open floor plan, fireplace.
It used to be a house and it burned down.
Yeah, it's definitely open floor plan. Everywhere.
I like the big dog.
Yeah, it's, I don't know.
My speed.
I think it's just a big outdoor area.
Yeah. He'd be at the pool house.
Like, I'm good here.
He's like,
That's why she would like it.
he's like, he won't breathe. He won't say.
I mean, I wish it were like a little place like that with no kitchen is. That's all you need. You know what I mean? I'm like, Fine, look over here.
If you're not renting, can you write Airbnb on it? If you're not renting.
Yeah.
Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. I am in Blowing Rock, right?
no, you're not.
Where am I? Lake Lure? Chimney Rock.